I did a quick review on this Hot Wheels 10 pack in a video not so long ago. Today we're going to open them up and have a look at each car. This is the reason I bought it, because of that Porsche, but it's also got the Mercedes, the Mazda Repo, and that Porsche, second Porsche, and the trucks. Anyway, we'll open it up. I'm going to do these from least favourite to most favourite. So first up, this one has got to be my least favourite. It's a shark with big teeth and a huge engine, and it's as light as anything. I don't know what it's called. Oh, that's hard to read. Shark Cruiser. Yes, that's all plastic. Probably be good for the track, but there's no weight in it whatsoever. Yes, anyway. Roadster Bite. Roadster Bite. This probably would be a very good one. Speed Team. This one would probably be a fairly decent one for the track. It's definitely not my style, but it's cool, I suppose. This thing, I think I said once before, looks like an ex of mine. I won't say anymore. I only get myself into trouble. Wheels are, you probably use the wheels for something, but yeah. We got this Formula One style racer. I like the wheels on this. 10-spoke. I don't know what that says. LWC and BP, or is it up that way? Decibel. Number 1. Yep. Just not my thing. I like the truck. I've got a blue version of this. I've still put it upside down. 2001 casting. Custom 89 Chevy. It's pretty cool. Tampos just there. Missing off the door. If this wants to focus. And it does. Cool looking grill. No tampos on the back. Sort of looks alright. Bit of a strange red. It's more orange. Anyway. Yeah, that'd be a good one to sort of customise. Now we get to the hard ones. There's 3 here. The Repo, the Mercedes, and the Porsche. I'm going to go the Repo first. Oh, I love these little utes. I just have a thing about them. It's got tampos all around. Rotary power, which is like rotary engine powered ute. Repo. I just think that's a great little casting. And it looks awesome. Like, all the tampos are done. Good looking wheels. Sort of reminds me of the old Sunraysers that I used to have on a Land Cruiser. This thing does not want to focus. I need another camera. I need, not like a camera, not a phone, because this does not want to focus. But that's cool. I really like that. That's definitely one. That's a keeper, that one. Definitely. Oh, I forgot about this one, actually. McLaren F1. I'm not into these like modern cars. This is nice. It's great looking tampos on the front. Great looking tampos on the back too. Come on. Focus, you bloody mongrel of a thing. It just doesn't. Oh, it's not behaving itself tonight. Yep. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Just not doing it for me at all. But yeah, I'd have this one like as not as much of a favourite as the Ute. Gonna go to the Porsche next. This is like it's a great casting, but geez, it's missing a few things, and it looks dull. The black on black just doesn't work for me. Got some good details in it, but solid wing on the back. Look, I'm gonna throw this bloody camera phone soon because it just will not focus. What is it? Porsche 935. It's a 2021 casting. It's fairly new. It's very cool. I like it. Pity about the colour. Like it looks overall dull, like too much black. Mercedes A-Class. I showed a blue one here not so long ago. This is the yellow version. I think this is the older version. Great tampos all around. Love the yellow on the wheels. Like the big continuation of a sunroof sort of thing. This is just a great little casting. I rate this up there with the Honda. Like, the Hondas and this just looks bloody awesome, I think. I use awesome a lot. That's just a good casting. Pity it, more people don't appreciate just how good this one is with all the tampos. It's almost a premium. That's cool. I like that one. And the star of the show, a Porsche 356. Could have done the headlights. Tampos look really nice on this. Love the wheels. Love the colour. Should have done the tampos on the back if it wants to focus. Nice detail on the grille. Like that's the back grille, the vents. Inside looks nice, tan interior. You can see the straps there for the bonnet. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's an Outlaw one. Maybe it's the exhaust. I think it might be actually, because there's. Oh no, it's got two exhausts coming out the back. Is it the Outlaw version? 2015 Mattel Porsche Outlaw. I'm not quite sure what that is. Maybe it's the fuel cap. Very nice. It's the main reason I bought the case. So yeah, 10 packs definitely can be worth it. I noticed that guys in the States are talking about 9 packs. I don't know why we get 10 packs, but we do. But yeah, this is cool. Like it. Everyone knows me. Knows I like a Porsche. All right, that's all. Bye. Hooroo.